Hi everyone, how you doing? It's Vicki Bellavia here. It is a Tuesday morning in September. 86 degrees already. It's 9 a.m. and it's already registering 86 degrees. It's going to go up to 97 today in Chicago. Hot. Thank God for air conditioning. I'm here to talk to you today about a new page that I started on Facebook. It's called Italiano, Famiglia, Mangia, and Amore. And I'm very proud to be Italian American. I'm a third generation, and it's a place where we could share recipes, traditions, growing up Italian, the neighborhoods that you grew up in, that type of a thing. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to keep up the Italian tradition in my home. My children, my husband, my family is my life, and because I'm a third generation Italian, my grandparents were born in Italy. My parents were not, I was not, and now I'm raising my children. You lose a little bit of your culture through every generation. So I'm hoping to keep up some funny and interesting and quirky and heartfelt things about our nationality. So I hope you'll join us. I've only been a couple of days and I'm already got some likes. I'm really excited about it. Looking forward to meeting some of you, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you interact with us. I'm going to have an Italian word a day. I never learned how to speak Italian. My parents never spoke it at home. My husband did, but we never taught our children, and it's really sad. Now I have grandchildren, and I wish that they one does know a little bit of Italian, because my son Tony married into an Italian family also, and they're a little bit more Italian than I am even. They speak at home, and so my grandson has learned a little bit, but it's really sad to have such a beautiful nationality behind you, and not to know some of it. It's I don't know. I just am very proud to be Italian, and I want to share it with everybody, and hope that you will interact with us. So I'm going to call it a day for now, but be looking for my page if you haven't found it. If you find this YouTube and you look for me, I really would love to have you join us, and give me some input. Let me know what's going on in your Italian family. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.